Hey baby, so listen, I'm about to go ahead and do an unboxing for you because my shoes just came in from Italy and I've been designing shoes for about 5 years now and I don't think I ever really did like an unboxing. So first, this is the box. My name's Zintrise Altovise Italy on them. There's a little magnetic thing snap on the side because, you know, a girl be doing that thing. And here we go. So these are the shoes. My birthday theme and my new collection is going to be red. So I wanted to make sure I had the red shoe for that. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. You see how coordination is not the best thing for me. You don't need that to be a designer though. That's what I'm talking about. So look, y'all, these are my shoes. These are in they're in European sizes. So this is a women's 38. This is 100% leather. We have the gold bottom. I have my tag in the inside. I don't know if you can really see that though. Can you see that? Okay, I don't know if you can really see it, but it does say Zintrise Altovise Italy in the inside of the shoe right there. Other than that, it's basically, you know, all leather. And they fit really well. Because they're leather, they're gonna like be custom to your feet. They're gonna kind of move with you. So if you get a size that's like fit exactly, it's gonna mold to your foot because, you know, that's what that real leather do, baby. That's what that real leather do. But I'm just saying, so that's my shoe. You know, we got the other side here. And again, the little snap thing. So, you know, if you trying to get like me, fuck with the girl. No, I'm just playing. No, for real though. These, that's what I'll be doing. And I have like 60 shoes already made, but that's just one from my retro gold bottom collection. Thank you. And that's it. So thank you so much for looking at my unboxing. I'm going to try to keep you up with the new things that I'm getting ready to drop because I have a new collection coming. And I'm also going to start doing some vintage luxury bags like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and I have those for sale as well. So you holler at your girl if you want that because I got you, boo. I got you. I'm just saying. All right. Love, peace, zen.